Hi, and welcome to the Sektor Malaysia channel. Today we will be unboxing the new Element EV770. The future of POS technology is here. With an ultra-slim profile and premium metallic body, the Element Evolution EV770 is an innovative, adaptable technology platform. Purpose-designed to excel in a diverse range of environments, it's the ultimate POS solution for retail and hospitality settings. Through its groundbreaking multi-configuration design using a single USB-C cable, the Element EV770 can be quickly and easily converted from a POS terminal to a panel PC. Next we are going to open the accessory box. Inside we have the AC adapter, power cord, powered communication cables, and screws. The EV770 is flexible and is able to swiftly and effortlessly take the form of an all-in-one POS, a panel PC, a pole-mounted unit, distributed system, and others. The PC components features Intel J4125 processor with up to 2.70 GHz clock speed, up to 8 GB system memory, and 128 GB storage. At the back we the communication port panel. Here we have the power, DC jack, powered COM, USB-C, HDMI, LAN, RJ12 port, and USB-A. Next, the power supply is plugged in. A LED light will lit up to indicate it is connected. Turn on the unit by pressing the silver button on the bottom left-hand corner from the box PC. The EV770 runs on Windows 10 IoT Enterprise or Windows 11. Here are some specifications of the Element EV770. For any inquiries, you may find our contact in the description box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos.